If your training doesn't grab attention in the first few seconds, it's already failed. Most corporate learning content gets ignored, not because it's wrong, but because it's forgettable. Here's how to fix that. If you're responsible for training at your company, you already know the pressure. You spend weeks building content, but your team still forgets most of it by next week. They're distracted, disengaged, and just going through the motions. You're not alone. Most corporate training today falls flat, not because the information is wrong, but because the delivery doesn't connect. Outdated slides, static videos, and dense PDFs weren't built for the way people learn now. And when your training doesn't land, it doesn't lead to behavior change. That means missed KPIs, wasted hours, and goals that never get met. But here's the thing. The problem isn't your content. It's how that content is being delivered. I'm Dr. Doreen Rivers, founder of Savants AI. After years of working with organizations struggling to make training stick, we built a smarter way to do it. Savants AI is a platform that turns your written training material into professional quality video. Fast. You don't need a production team. You don't need to learn editing. And you certainly don't need weeks to get results. Most AI tools stop at avatars or animation, but Savants goes further, combining clear narration with visual storytelling to help your learners absorb and apply the content in real-world situations. Teams across industries are using Savants to modernize outdated training and turn forgettable content into experiences people actually remember. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and budget on training that doesn't stick, here's your next step. Click the link to watch our free video training. You'll discover how to turn static content into dynamic video your team will actually remember and apply, all without expensive software, complicated tools, or a production team. This brand new video training will show you how to create professional-grade training videos in just minutes. What's working right now for companies who are seeing stronger engagement and better performance, and exactly how to start transforming your own training today. Click now to watch our free video training and discover how to create training your team will actually remember and apply.